Hello, my name is Carolina. I'm going to make a little presentation about three monuments in Malaga. They are the Alcazaba, the Cathedral, and Grabando Castle. The three monuments are located in the center of the city and they are worthy to be visited. So I hope you like. We are going to talk about the Cathedral of Malaga. Its full name is Nuestra Señora de la Encarnación, Our Lady of Incarnation. Its foundations were laid around the year 1530 and the work ended on the 18th century, although this building is unfinished. It lacks of the South Tower, and this is why it is called with the name of La Manquita, which means that it lacks crown. It was built on the remains of other cultural buildings, and one of those was the Almohad Mosque. In the year 1768, it was open for those who wanted to pray. It is a huge structure that can be seen from anywhere in the city. The North Tower has 87 meters and nowadays is open to the public. It's open to the public to admire the architecture, and masses are celebrated for those who want to pray. We are going to talk about the Alcazaba. Alcazaba is a fortress wall, and it was built between the years 1057 and 1063. It was built by Baiba. Baiba was a king of the Berber Taifa of Granada by that time. It dates from the Muslim period, and it is located in the center of the city next to the Roman Theater and the Alcazaba. It combines two things. As we have said already, it is a fortress palace, and it combines a defensive purpose on the one hand, and on the other hand, it has the beauty characteristic of an Arab palace and gardens. Its military structure makes it one of the most important Muslim works in Spain today. It has been restored several times, and today it's considered an important archaeological legacy that Spain has today. Grabando Castle. It was built in the 14th century in order to keep the troops safe and protect the Alcazaba. Although it was used by the Phoenicians and the Romans, it was in the year 1340 when the Danish king Yusuf made it a fortress. It has two lines of walls and 8 towers, and it is divided in two parts. The upper part, which is called the main courtyard, and the lower part, or parade ground. In the upper part, we can find the big tower, which has 70 meters high, the Phoenician wells on the back. And in the lower part, actually we can find the barracks and the stables. It was to help the drop barracks and the stables, where you could find the watchtower or white tower. Today, it is one of the most visited monuments of the city.